Good morning students, welcome to the session on Excel Foundation. In our previous lecture we have seen how we will create the tables, and we have seen two kind of creation tables, that is with the empty sheet as well as with the range. Okay, select your range and go to your insert tab. There you people will be finding the table group. Click on the table so that your range will be converted into your table. Else if you want to create in an empty sheet, then click on any cell and go for insert, go to your table. There you can insert your table. Okay, the main difference here comes in sheet and table is when you are working within the table, the cursor will move around the table only. When you are working in the sheet, it will go for the next cells also, so that we will be having lengthier data to analyze. Okay, if you are having the table of content, then make it as a table so that you people will be working with that particular table. Okay, in our today's session we will be seeing how we will be styling this table. See the difference between yesterday's session and today's session. I have made it in a different style. How we will be making that a different style in your table, that we are going to see in our today's session. Why the styling is needed is, see, whenever we are trying to analyze the data from your table, when we are having huge amount of data, then the style, when you are making any styles onto your table, then it will be easy in order to analyze the data, I can say. In order to make that, we will be using few options which we are going to discuss now. Okay, just see now, when you are having table in your worksheet, you people will be available with one more tab. Okay, observe your tabs: home, insert, page layout, formula, data, review and view. These are available already, but when you are created any table, then you people will be available with the design tab also. Just click on the design tab. There you people will be having table styles group. In this you are having quick styles. Okay, just click on the quick styles, then you can see the number of styles that are predefined in your Excel. Then you can select one among them in order to apply onto your table, you can say. Okay, just say suppose if I am selecting this, you can observe the difference now on the side of your worksheet. Okay, when I am just moving the cursor over the styles. Okay, just select the style that is very suitable for your table. Okay, according to the content you need to select the style so that it will be very flexible when you are analyzing the data. So suppose if I am selecting this, appearance will be like this. Okay, in this way you people will apply the styles onto your table, I can say. And you can see one more option is present at here. We are having header row, we are having first column, we are having total row, last column, bonded rows and bonded columns. Now let us see one by one how we are styling by using these options. We are having the headers now in our table. Okay, now if I am unchecking the box called header now, header row, then it will disappear the headers. Okay, if I am clicking on the checkbox, then the headers will appear. Okay, if you want to have a column called total, or else if you want to have a row called total, then you can go for this. If you are having numbers, then it will be counted and it will be given at the last point. Okay, these are useful when you are doing accounting. Okay, but it is not needed now. You can have the total row also like that. Okay, and see, it is giving one color for this first row, and second row is in some other color, and third row is in some other color. If you are having one more row, say suppose if I am going for tab, then this will be in white color. If I am having one more row, then again it will be changing the color. Okay, then if I am unchecking this box, then every row will be having the same color. Okay, if I am checking this box, then each and every row will be separated with the colors, I can say. Then bonded columns, every column is representing the same thing. Then if I am doing this, then alternate columns will be changing the colors. Okay, say suppose if I am removing for the rows and if I am applying for the columns, then like this it will be appearing like this. Okay, and I will be removing this and I will be going for first column. Sometimes we will be having a special appearance, special focus on the first column. Okay, in order to make that, I will be going for the first column so that it will be highlighted. See, I haven't made any bold, just I have clicked onto my first cell, first column. If I'm not clicking onto that, these are the normal letters, but if I'm checking the box like first column, then it will be bold. Okay, it will be highlighted, I can say. Okay, then if you want to make the last column as highlighted one, then you can do by using these styles. Okay, do remember, if you want to check all the boxes, you can check. Okay, like this you people will be styling your content, I can say. Okay, you can create your own style also, that we will discuss in our next lecture. Okay, this is it for now. It is a small video onto your styles, I can say. But do remember, while you are working outside, if you are having a huge amount of data to analyze, then if you are making that in an attractive manner, then it is very useful to analyze the data, I can say. Okay, that's it for now. See you in the next one.